We have all the icons done, but we still need to create this top part of the screenshot, which is this signal range, this Wi-Fi connections range, the current time, Bluetooth icon, and the battery icon. So we will start with this from the left to the right, for example. So we will start with this signal range, which we will use symbols from the font for this. So we'll insert shapes, new text box, insert symbol, and choose our SIGUI symbol. And here we have this filled and outlined circle. So we can insert both, copy this multiple times. So it kind of resembles this signal. Set the outline to no outline, fill to no fill. The size is just about fine, but the spacing is too wide, so we will jump into the font settings and set the spacing to condensed, like this, and font color to white. Making this a little bit smaller so we can duplicate it and write this text. Of course, we need to set the spacing back to normal. Maybe change the font to our CGI UI. Make it a little bit bigger and move to this Wi-Fi icon. There is no symbol for this Wi-Fi icon in any font, so we have to draw it by ourselves. In order to do so, we will show a grid and probably draw it on this side and then move it back and resize it. Start with this pie symbol, shape. Draw it maybe 2 by 2 or 4 by 4 grid lines. Change the shape to this shape. Set the outline to no outline and continue with the block arc shape. Draw it so it center with the previous shape. Make it only one grid line thick and adjust the shape like this. Set the outline to no outline. Duplicate this shape and move it 2 grid lines to the top and right. Resize it so it's centered like this. You can see it from those middle parts which are centered. Adjust the width of this shape like this. Group everything together. Change the fill to white. Rotate it with the shift key by 45 degrees. And resize it to our final size, which is much smaller, like this. We can hide the grid lines for now. Duplicate this text box with the Control key pressed and the Shift key pressed, so it's moving in the straight line and creating a copy. Write the right text. Make it maybe bold. And now we are here for this Bluetooth and the battery icon. We'll probably use the battery icon from the symbol font, but we have to draw up the Bluetooth by ourselves. And we will also again show the grid lines. I'll try to see how this Bluetooth look like. It looks like 2 rotated rectangles, or if we want, we can visually split it into maybe 4 parts, or pretend that it's made of the hexagon shape. So as a helper, we will draw this hexagon shape, which will be 4 grid lines wide and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 8 grid lines to height. If we adjusted this If we adjust it with this yellow handle and set the fill to no fill, it almost looks like an outline of this Bluetooth icon. Now what we can do is insert new freeform shape and start drawing it from this point. That is, start from this point, move it to here, and continue with the shape to this end point. And when you are done, press the Enter key to create a shape and delete the helper hexagon shape. Now you can hide the grid lines, resize the icon, change the fill outline color to white, but maybe make it a little bit transparent because it's not connected. So maybe raise the transparency to like 50%. And for the berry icon, we will use a predefined shape from the CQIUI simple font. So insert new text box, insert new symbol from our symbol font, move all the way down and locate this berry icon. Set the outline to no outline, fill to no fill, font color to white, and make it bigger like this. Now we can group everything together. Rename it to header and move it to the first page.